Modding Baldur's Gate and need to understand CRE files. These define every creature and character in the game world. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, inspect, and edit these Baldur's Gate character definition files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated CRE file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. CRE files are creature and character definition files used by BioWare's Infinity Engine powering Baldur's Gate, Icewind Dale, and Planescape Torment. They contain complete character data including ability scores, hit points, class levels, spell lists, inventory items, scripts, dialogue, references, and visual appearance settings for every NPC and creature in the game. Infinity Engine CRE creature files use a binary format with a structured header, followed by offset tables. For item spells, known memorized spell lists and effect entries. The format stores Vac saving throws, armor class proficiencies, and kit class combinations following Advanced Dungeons & Dragons 2nd Edition rules. We suggest testing the CRE file first with the utility Baldur's Gate from BioWare. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot preview these elements, so specialized utilities are needed. Let's start the compatibility sequence. Right-click the CRE file and choose Open With. Test Baldur's Gate if available. If it's not, choose another program. Different software often has better luck with specific CRE variants. If you still cannot open your CRE file, that is okay. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the CRE error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening in Near Infinity. Download Near Infinity, a free Java-based Infinity Engine resource editor. Open your game's override or data directory and select the CRE file. Near Infinity displays all character attributes organized by category, including stats, combat values, spells, items, and scripts, in an editable structured view. Next, using DLTCEP. Open CRE files in DLTCP Dragonlance. Total Conversion Editor, Pro, a dedicated Infinity Engine editing tool. DLTCEP provides a user-friendly interface for editing creature stats, class assignments, spell lists, inventory, and AI scripts. The visual editor simplifies modification of complex character attributes without understanding the binary format directly. Finally, editing character attributes. Modify creature stats, item spells, and scripts in Near Infinity or DLTCEP to create custom NPCs or rebalance existing creatures. Save modified CRE files to the game's override directory to replace the default versions during gameplay. Always back up original files before modifications, and test changes by encountering the creature in-game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.